Yo, what's up everyone? It's Akash. By the year 2030, your doctor might be an AI. Your therapist, also AI. Your best friend, could be a robot. I know, right? It sounds crazy. Almost like an episode of Black Mirror, but hear me out. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's future tech. And it's coming faster than any of us thought. We're talking about advancements that could reshape humanity as we know it. Some of it's exciting, some of it's a little unnerving, but it's all worth talking about. So, today, we're diving into 5 insane tech predictions for the next 5 to 10 years. We'll unpack the tech, break down the implications, and I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let's go. First up, let's talk healthcare. Imagine this, you're feeling a little off, but instead of booking an appointment waiting weeks to see a doctor, you just open an app. You chat with an AI, describe your symptoms, and boom, diagnosis, treatment plan, all laid out for you in minutes. That's the kind of future AI-powered healthcare promises. We're already seeing early versions of this, right? Symptom checkers, telehealth platforms, they're laying the groundwork. But imagine AI that's not just reading symptoms, but analyzing your medical history, genetic predispositions, even your wearable data to predict illnesses before you even feel a thing. Think about it. Wearables tracking your heart rate, sleep patterns, even your blood sugar in real time, feeding all that data to an AI that can flag anomalies, potential risks, way before they become serious problems. It's like having a doctor with you 24/7. And it's not just diagnosis, AI could revolutionize treatment too. Imagine personalized medicine tailored to your exact genetic makeup, robotic surgery with precision we can't even fathom right now, even self-healing tech that could repair damaged tissues at a cellular level. This stuff sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's closer than you think, and the potential benefits are huge. We could be talking about a future with earlier diagnoses, more effective treatments, and potentially longer, healthier lives. Next up, let's talk about something a little different. What if I told you that in the near future your best friend might not be human? We're talking about emotional AI artificial intelligence that can understand, respond to, and even simulate human emotions. This isn't just about robots reading your emotions, it's about them understanding the nuances, the subtleties of human interaction. Imagine AI companions that can sense when you're feeling down, offer words of comfort, maybe even crack a joke to lighten the mood. And these aren't just cold, emotionless machines. They're designed to build real connections, learn your preferences, your sense of humor, what makes you tick. We're talking about AI that could provide companionship, emotional support, even friendship on a level we haven't seen before. Now I know what you're thinking. Can AI truly replace human connection? It's a big question, and honestly I don't have the answer, but think about the possibilities. Imagine AI companions for the elderly, combating loneliness and providing care. Imagine AI tutors that can adapt to a student's emotional state, making learning more engaging and effective. The lines between human connection and AI interaction are blurring, and it's raising some big questions about what it means to be human, to connect, to form bonds. It's both exciting and a little unsettling, and it's a conversation we need to be having. Let's shift gears and talk about the spaces we live in. Imagine a city that thinks, that anticipates your needs, that optimizes itself in real time for efficiency and sustainability. That's the promise of smart cities, powered by, you guessed it, artificial intelligence. We're talking about AI managing traffic flow, optimizing energy consumption, even predicting and preventing crime. Imagine sensors everywhere, collecting data on everything from air quality to noise pollution, feeding it to a central AI brain that's constantly learning, adapting, and making the city smarter, safer, and more efficient. And it's not just about the city as a whole, this tech has the potential to transform our homes too. Imagine AI-powered homes that learn your preferences, adjust the lighting and temperature automatically, even order groceries for you before you even realize you're running low. We're talking about homes that are truly in tune with your needs, that anticipate your wants, that make life easier, more comfortable, and maybe even a little bit cooler. But it's not just about convenience. Imagine the energy savings of a city that can optimize its energy grid in real time, or the environmental impact of reducing traffic congestion and pollution. Smart cities have the potential to not only improve our quality of life, but also create a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Now let's get into some truly mind-bending tech. Imagine a world where disabilities are a thing of the past, where our thoughts can control machines, where the line between human and machine becomes increasingly blurred. That's the potential of bionic implants and brain-computer interfaces. We're talking about technology that can restore lost senses, enhance existing ones, even give us abilities we never thought possible. Imagine prosthetic limbs controlled by thought, restoring mobility and independence to those who've lost limbs. Imagine cochlear implants that not only restore hearing but enhance it, allowing us to hear frequencies we never could before. And then there's the really wild stuff. Brain-computer interfaces that allow us to control devices with our minds. Imagine typing a text message just by thinking it, or controlling a computer cursor with the power of your thoughts. This technology is still in its early stages, but the potential is mind-blowing. It could revolutionize healthcare, transform how we interact with technology, even redefine what it means to be human. But this kind of tech also raises some serious ethical questions. What happens when we start merging our minds with machines? What are the implications for privacy, for autonomy, for what it means to be human? These are questions we need to grapple with as this technology continues to evolve. Now, for all the amazing possibilities of future tech, we also need to talk about the potential downsides. Because with every technological leap, there are always unintended consequences. One of the biggest concerns is job automation. As AI and robots become more sophisticated, they're going to be able to automate more and more tasks, potentially displacing millions of workers. Think about self-driving trucks replacing truck drivers, AI-powered lawyers replacing paralegals, even robots flipping burgers in fast food restaurants. It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but it's something we need to start thinking about now. Then there's the issue of AI surveillance. As cities become smarter and more connected, the potential for mass surveillance increases exponentially. Imagine facial recognition cameras everywhere, tracking our every move, analyzing our behavior, potentially even predicting our actions before we take them. It's a future that sounds straight out of a dystopian sci-fi movie, and it raises serious questions about privacy, freedom, and the potential for abuse. And let's not forget about the inherent neutrality of technology. AI itself isn't good or bad, it's a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. It all depends on who's developing it, who's controlling it, and what their intentions are. So, there you have it, 5 insane tech predictions for the next 5 to 10 years. The future is coming, whether we like it or not. The question is, will we control it or will it control us? If you want to stay ahead of the curve and actually understand the tech shaping our world, you know what to do. Hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the next tech deep dive. Drop a comment below and tell me, which tech prediction excites you the most? Which one freaks you out the most? Let's discuss. And come back next week, because we're only just getting started. Peace.